full size of it compared to my size.
So one day I took my brother's guitar to play. And I accidentally broke it. So I went on YouTube to find some help, but instead I found multiple popsicle art, which gives me an idea.
Alright, so today I already prepared every necessary things. First, we got this package here, which is 500 of the popsicle sticks. We got glue, and I even bought a guitar string. So we'll be processing things now. I'm gonna unbox this thing here. There you go. I'm gonna be drawing the guitar here. So once I get everything laid out, I'm just gonna place this here and slowly build it from there. So this is the front part. Hope you guys can see. Alright, so this is the plan, but I'm not too sure about this. So I might actually make it circular. So slight change of plan. So I actually googled what does a guitar look like, and this is the plan for it right now. Okay, don't bother about this. Yes, my friend. Oh. It smells like ice cream. So well, I totally forgotten that that these parts have to be connected to this part. Now I have to come up with another plan, which is laying all this here. Then I'm gonna glue them all together sideways, and then after that, the third layer, I'll start crossing them so that they'll stick. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. So quick update, I went for a break a while, and because I leave it to dry, and I decided to try to lift it up, cut out from the paper. We're gonna try to lift this thing up, see if it works. Now I've been cutting this using this ruler to cut it out from the paper. I hope it works. Oh. Yeah, baby. Look at that. I mean, damn. Everything is stick here, but we'll get into that later. Looks pretty neat. If you make a comparison, it's actually not bad, am I right? Right now, the plan is to continue to build, and I just realized one thing is that the guitar is flat on the top, and it curves at the bottom. So what I'm doing now is like the other way around, which I think I can't reverse it anymore. I'll just continue to build, strengthen it. I'm quite surprised that it actually stick. Later on we'll go carve. I'm gonna draw a lines. So I think we'll stick this part first, then I'll draw the lines here. Alright, so I've done cutting the part. You can see the guitar shape, and this part, the top part, I haven't cut. And obviously I'm not the best cutter here. I know this part is like a little straight, but hey, look at it, it's pretty good. Alright, so plan is I'm gonna continue build the shape here. Right, see you in a bit. Alright, so you can see I've layered 5 layers of it. This took way longer than I expected. Alright, so I'm actually running, I'm out of popsicle, so here's the plan. I'm gonna use everything wisely. So the thickness of this guitar head, I couldn't like make it super thick so that the strings are able to go. I'll show you I'll show you how it is. I have to reduce it all to 4 so that I'm able to put the string like right across, and I'm gonna check out the strings first. Okay, so over here I've already like labeled where the strings are gonna place, and I realized actually over here they actually tell which one should go first. They already labeled which one should go first, so I wasted my time YouTubing. But anyway, I will start to hammer the strings in. Okay, so I decided to use the front parts here with some nails because a screw won't fit, the screw is too big and it would just destroy the whole popsicle. I hope everything goes well. This is the final move.
Pause right there. So I wasn't really satisfied with the results of the guitar. Yeah, sure, it's a guitar, but it didn't really make any sound. So I did some modification to it.
Okay, so I actually bought some ukulele strings because the guitar string ain't working. Got some guitar picks, so I can fix it in here. I got more popsicles just to get more depth in it, to make it look more realistic. And most importantly, this thing, we have the ukulele. What do you call this again? Now I'm gonna place this. I'm gonna learn how to fix this, and I hope I don't screw up anything. This will be right here, perfectly nicely placed. So actually I checked it out. I don't think I can drill this, and instead I'm gonna stick it here, use more popsicle, build this higher so I can put this. Okay, I'm gonna test it out and see if this sticks here. I'll let you know in a bit. This thing got dried and I'm testing out to see if it stays. I hope it stays because if it doesn't, we have to use plan B, which is using some duct tapes. And we have some good sign now. There is sound. Oh my god. We are ending the final stage. We are nearing the final stage where all I have to do is pull up the string. Hopefully everything works. Every corner I have like double. I made it nicer, to say so. So here comes the amazing part you have been waiting for. I do not want to deal with this anymore. Lego. First string. Ever since the letter C to U. Okay, it's fine. It's Gucci. Alright, the problem is the second string. So we'll not do the second string first. Actually, we should. You guys can't see actually. Oopsie doodle. Alright, second string. If this guy stays, if this string stays, it's auto W for me. Okay, he stays. Next guy. Next string, Oh no! So the third string didn't make it. Right, look. Let's assume this is here. And there we go. Ding 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 ding. Okay, wait. I have to tighten them. Okay, tightening. Alright. After 24 hours, I'm gonna check it out. Looks steady. Now, I really hope this stays. Finally, all strings are here. They can make sound as well. Let's test it out. Okay, I need to tighten this a bit.
And right now, here's a short montage of it.
Okay, you can see this is the full size of it compared to my size. The back side of it. Now, I put it here, and you can actually play some songs. So I might actually customize it because it's on just brown right now. Let me know if I should customize it. I'll probably do it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's time to give this to my brother.
Time to play my guitar. Let's go.
NANI?
Why got something wrong, huh? Oi! Why like this one?
Hey bro!
Oi, what? Why you break my guitar? Is it?
No, this is not your guitar.
What you mean?
It's not your guitar. Ini baru betul.
Hey, what is this?
This is your guitar.
Why so small one? Ah, yeah, never mind. At least got good personality.